Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In my last video, I showed you a game bot running on an iPhone 13 that earned over $280. A lot of you asked how to set it up, so that's exactly what we're doing today. This video will walk you through the complete installation and setup process, step by step, so you can get the bot running on your own device. First, create a free Apple developer account. A free account is all you need since we're not distributing any apps. Sign in with your Apple ID, then download and install Xcode. Before you do, ask ChatGPT or check Apple's docs to make sure you're downloading the right version for your device. This is super important. If the versions don't match, things simply won't work. Once Xcode is ready, clone the WebDriver repository. Sign in with the same Apple developer account you just made. If you get build errors, try changing the bundle identifier. On some newer devices, you might not even need to do this. Before running automation, turn on developer mode on your phone. And here's a tip: keep your phone unlocked while running tests. After the build completes, you should see UI automation running right on your phone screen. Next, install Visual Studio Code and clone our main Python repo. run the included install script. It will handle all the dependencies for you. If you have an old version of Node.js like I did, uninstall it and rerun the script. Once Appium is installed, create a Python virtual environment and install the required packages. Open Xcode, grab your device details, and paste them into the config file. That's it for the setup. Activate your virtual environment, start the Appium server, and launch the UI automation. Make sure your phone is connected and unlocked. If you see Xcode version undefined, it just means your system is pointing to the wrong Xcode path. Fix the path, restart the server, and remember, restart Appium every time you make a fix or update. Boom, it's running. That's the complete setup for running the GameBot on an iPhone 13. If you want to see how to run it on other iPhone models, hit subscribe and stay tuned. I'll cover that in the next video. See you there.